Today we are learning how to make an online quiz in PowerPoint. In that you require three files: main, right, and wrong. Now I will open the main file. Now in the main file, here is the question, full form of HTML. Here are the four options A, B, C, D. Now let's say I am choosing the option number 1. Oops, your answer is wrong. So this kind of alert it has given, and inside there is an audio also that I have recorded. The woohoo like that sound will be coming. Now let's say I am selecting the right answer. Congratulations, your answer is right. So the clap sound will come in this. Now how we made it? So this was the first slide. The second slide, I'll show you. The first slide has already been made by me. Second slide I have not made it. So this you have to do the data entry. Now how it will work? Now Dr. Manmohan Singh is the wrong answer. So select Dr. Manmohan Singh. As I told you earlier, I had created two more files, right and wrong. So this is the wrong one. So I am hyperlink it wrong. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the right answer. So select, right click, hyperlink and right. Same way these two are the wrong answers. Select both these two, right click, hyperlink and give the wrong. So just you need to give the hyperlink, but make sure that your two file is there in the folder right and wrong. Now since you had given the hyperlink, we'll see the demo. We had seen the first one. Now we are giving Dr. Manmohan Singh. Oops, your answer is wrong. Narendra Modi, your answer is right. Escape. Now we are closing this. Now I will show you the right one. The right one, you have to just insert an image, congratulations, and you have to write the text, your answer is right. And this is the audio, that is the clap audio. You can insert the clap audio. Then the wrong one, you have to insert the image of wrong one and you have to add the audio over here, so you can see the audio. And how to integrate and how to hyperlink, that I have shown it to you. Again we will open full form of HTML. The right answer is the second option. My quiz is working. Press escape. Now the question number 2, who is the Prime Minister of India? I'll give you the wrong answer. So my quiz is working. The slide number 3 and 4 I have not done it. I'll do it right away. Mumbai city is in which state? First three options are wrong, so I selected first three options all together. Hyperlink, give it wrong. Maharashtra is the right answer. Select, right click, hyperlink, right. Same with this. Keyboard is an input device is the right answer. Select, right click, hyperlink, right. You can select this three all together. Right click, hyperlink, wrong. Great. You can save this, close, open your main file. F5 slideshow. Here your quiz starts. Now let's say the first I had given the answer that is wrong. Oops, your answer is wrong. Now moving to the second, who is the Prime Minister of India? I am giving the answer right. Very good. Escape. Oh, 1 second, had pressed 2 times. I'll start it again. Main, F5. The first that I had given the answer that is right. Press escape, enter. In this I am giving the answer wrong. Escape, enter. In this I'm giving the answer right. Escape, enter. In this I'm giving the answer wrong. In this way you can make your quiz in PowerPoint. I hope you have understood the video.